Hello there, my sweet viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing to you how I make this simple birthday cake with some green leaves fondant decors and some green sprinkles. To start, I'm going to layer the chocolate cake and fill with chocolate buttercream. If you want to learn how I make my chocolate buttercream, I will put the link in the description box. After layering the cakes, I do freeze it for about 20 to 30 minutes. This will help you to ice your cake, and also it makes your cake more stable. Now I'm applying the first layer of my vanilla buttercream. Tips for you guys: frozen cake can help you to achieve smoother icing. After our first layer of our icing, for the last time, I will freeze the cake again for another 30 minutes. I know this will take a lot of time, but trust me, this will help you a lot to achieve smoother cake. And especially for those bakers who's having a hard time smoothing their cakes, this method will help you a lot.